Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Infiniti QX60 that we have for sale. We recently took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This one's no exception. If you're in the market for a mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating, the QX60 is an excellent choice. This one is very nicely equipped with features. We have the original build sheet on this one, or I would say a copy of the original build sheet. So this has a driver's assistance package. That was an $1,850 option, giving you intelligent cruise control, blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, distance control assist. Distance control assist will automatically slow the vehicle down when you have it activated if there is a vehicle slowing down in front of you. And that's not as much of a safety feature, it's more of like a driver's assistance feature. So you still have to pay attention. You can't count on it working all the time, but it really makes it a lot more pleasant. Front and rear sonar sensors. We have an eco pedal, so the eco pedal gives you a little bit more resistance in the gas pedal when you have an eco mode and encouraging more economical type driving. Then we have the Premium Plus package, $2,900, giving you navigation, around view camera, moving object detection, rain sensing wipers, illuminated kick plates. So those are some of the big ticket features on this one. Original MSRP was $53,660. Beautiful leather interior, power and heated front seats. CVT transmission offers an almost infinite amount of gear ratios for maximum efficiency and performance. We have a navigation system, as we mentioned before in the Premium Plus package. We have a 360-degree around view monitor. You can also change views, great for low speed maneuvering. Blind spots can be kind of tricky in these crossover SUVs. Look at all, it's not, visibility is kind of difficult, so this really does make a big help. You don't want to run into anyone, and this is a nice looking car. You don't want to bang it up either. So we have a power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, and it's also heated. That's the button to activate your safety shield, so that activates like the distance control assist feature. Really nice, easy to take care of color combination. White is a very easy exterior color. Likewise, black or graphite, dark graphite, is a very easy interior color, especially with young kids. The light interiors are nice too, but they show smudges and scuffs and stains a little bit more than the darker colors. Rear climate control, we have dual zone in the front. Second row seats, they slide back and forth. They also recline. Third row access is pretty nice. Third row space is pretty nice too. Even me, who's 6'2", I'm okay back there. I wouldn't want to spend a couple hours back there, but I'd be okay on a short trip. Power rear liftgate. Lots of storage. You can fold down the seats, either third row or second row, fairly flat. This has the interior protection package, so you have an extra carpeting on the backs of the seats and on the cargo area to keep things nice and tidy back here. And you have a little bit extra storage under there as well. The QX60 comes standard with front wheel drive. Intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. This has the intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's 100% front-wheel drive to help save on gas, but it can send power to the rear wheels as needed for no-slip starts and excellent traction in low traction situations, which unfortunately we have to deal with quite a bit of here in the Pacific Northwest. Our roads are wet and slippery for a good part of the year, and one of the best parts of the QX60 is the engine. We all know the engine is the heart of a car, and you want to have a heart that's good and that's long lasting. Well, this is one of the best hearts around. I've been with Infiniti 17 years. I own two Infinitis myself. Both of those have variations of these engines. I'm a big fan of the Infiniti product. I'm a big fan of the VQ series engine. I've seen lots of these engines with 200 and even 300,000 miles still running strong, which isn't too surprising. It's actually designed to have a service life of 300,000 miles. You have maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to replace the cost replacement of timing belts, which can be expensive on luxury cars. This one was recently upgraded to direct injection in 2017, so you get 295 horsepower, plenty of power, actually pretty much all the power you'd really want to ask for on a vehicle like this. Excellent performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and most importantly, excellent reliability. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.